Hello everyone, this is Kamal with Thrive Mushrooms from Kankakee, Illinois. I would like to talk to you today about reishi mushrooms and reishi spawn. We grow a variety of mushrooms, spawn, substrate bags, and reishi has been my favorite in terms of medicinal purposes, in terms of how it has helped me, and in terms of farming practices, reishi is again one of my favorites. It is due to its strong antibacterial, antiviral properties. And now I want to show you something that I've noticed, and I would like you to see this. So this is a reishi substrate bag. After the autoclave, this bag was torn, so I put a new bag, and I opened the new bag, and it wasn't sterilized. So I transferred, as you see, I transferred the sterilized substrate into unsterilized compost bag. So as you can know, the new substrate bag, which was not sterilized, was having a lot of bacterial issues. I would say maybe fungus, maybe mold, maybe thousands of mold spores were in the unsterilized bag. So I put the reishi substrate into that bag. What I noticed that reishi is kind of colonizing everywhere here. Look at the enzymes, look at the fruiting body from here. But I've noticed something. In here, there were kind of like darker areas, and now it is turning to like light color because reishi closed this. So there was some kind of contamination or like mold or bacterial colonies in here. And the other thing which I'm super interested and excited about is this area. So in here there is a series colony of some microorganism groups, maybe mold, maybe bacteria, but a strong group. But what reishi does is it comes over here. It wants to colonize here too, but now it surrounds this area, and it is interesting that it is suppressing that area, and it doesn't let the microorganisms grow, expand, or colonize. So this is interesting because when I have the same issue with oyster mushrooms or lion's mane, they get when they get contamination from bag transfers, they don't do super well. Like let's say there is mold forming inside of the bag, bacteria, oyster mushrooms, lion's mane, they just watch it from a distance, and they don't surround it very well. If the mycelium is very strong of the oyster or lion's mane, then I cannot say anything. But in general, the oyster mushrooms that I use in here cannot combat with mold or look at here, reishi. This bag was transferred on 9th of November, so this is like almost a month, and it is still fruiting from here and surrounding from here. And there's another example that I want to talk about reishi. Normally when we do transfers from tissue culture, we do like 2 transfers, right? Sometimes if the mycelium is very strong, it is like suggested 3 transfers, so from 1 to 2 to 3, and then we end it over there. But in terms of reishi, I've been the fifth. So this is the 5th transfer, and it is doing so well. It is doing so well. It is colonizing just like it is like second batch or second transfer. But this is the 5th transfer, and it's doing pretty well. There's one other thing that I've noticed. I opened one spawn bag intentionally, which was colonized by reishi. I opened a spawn bag from here, and there was sterilized grain, and there was reishi mushroom mycelium. I opened this intentionally for 4 days. I let the mold spores, bacteria, endospores, living organisms to land in the bag, And then after 4 days, I sealed the bag. So I found that reishi mushroom mycelium in the bag, even though there is sterilized grain, reishi mushroom again doesn't let other microorganisms to grow. Maybe the mycelium that I have is very strong. Maybe the other reishi mushroom are just like that, but I've noticed that reishi mushrooms are one of the best in terms of fighting molds, bacteria, and in terms of yield. So this is another transfer from the same day with the other one. As you see, look at the um, fruiting bodies of reishi. We have tons of reishi mushrooms on our Etsy page. You can reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram if you wanna order fresh reishi mushrooms or substrate bags. We have reasonable prices, and you can always ask for the prices for bulk ordering. Here are some of our oyster mushrooms. This is lion's mane. As you see, the colonization doesn't seem full, but it is actually ready to go. So we will ship these on Etsy. I'll see you guys. Thank you for watching the video. I'm going to share some videos from time to time whenever I have time. I'll see you guys. Have a nice day.